Today we're gonna have unboxing the bulbs. I'm excited to have this one so that I could finish the project outside that I'm gonna show you later on. So this time now I'm gonna make it a bulk of color of tulips and daffodils. So yes, I'm gonna explain to you later on, but this is what my order that I really going to unbox now. Yes, I'm so excited to have this one. So first box, I'm gonna put the description below if you want to know the website where I ordered this one. Look at that. It's really well packed with the kind of individual packaging, and look at their packaging. It won't really kind of, it's very safe for the bulb because there is a hole on it that you can breathe. But see, this is the what I received here is the receipt of what I order. This is it. Very nice. I like that one. And this, I have the allium and kind of information on how you're gonna plant the allium. I have this postcard. I have the collection, a nice postcard. Look at that. And the tulips, information of how you're gonna plant the tulips. So, and I have this information about the daffodils as well. Look at the color of the daffodils, and look at that. It's kind of orangey with white. I love that one. And this one, I have this color, and I think my order was, I have this color, kind of orange, red, and white outside. That's very nice. And the second batch, again, I have the postcard on this, because on this packaging I have all the tulips, so it's only the tulips information that they put on this box, so it's really reasonable. And they have the instruction on how you're gonna plant the tulips. So that's it then. So this is all my bulbs here. That over there is all the tulips. I have 380 bulbs, and this over here are the alliums, and I have 300 bulbs on it. See you outside to plant this bulb. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the daffodils now that I'm gonna plant in that area there. So this is now the distance of the bulbs that I cut it down. So, and the way you plant it, you have to point up, face up. This one must be off. You can recognize this one anyway. This kind of roots here, it should be in the ground. If you're not sure, if any packaging of the bulbs, there is an instruction on it. Just like what I have here, there's an instruction on it. Plant your bulb in autumn, but plant them twice as deep as the bulbs. So I said, even 3 times will be fine. It's dry. If the soil is dry, you have to water it after you plant it. That's the simple way to plant the bulb. I'm gonna cover this one as twice as the deep of this daffodils bulb. So yeah. Look at this icy rain. It's a hailstone. Look at that. It's all rain in and out here. I really wanted to finish I'm planting bulbs and cleaning up. Anyway, hello, welcome back again. This is the another day of planting bulbs here. So yesterday, what I did is try to clean this one down here, even though it was raining. And yeah, I planting some of the allium over that side and daffodils. So I couldn't really do much video yesterday because of the rain in and out. So it's around 11 o'clock here, and this morning I plant already the allium because I don't want to miss off the groups of plant allium. So that's perfectly done there now. I'm gonna tell you later on what are the color that I put it there. Now I'm gonna do my last part of my tulips here. So it's open. I have to plant three type of tulips here. This is the tulips. So three type of bulb. This one is common tulips that I plant in every area. This is a hybrid mix that they said that this is perennial one. So I'm gonna try this one, and again, not to mention, I'm not going to dig this one next year, all of them. That's why I tried this perennial one, and this one is perennial as well. This is Persian pearl, which is very short. It's only 12 to 15 centimeters in height. So this one is Gianna Chrysantha. Color of this is red and yellow. So the height of this 15 to 22 centimeters. So I'm gonna mix this one. The height of this is kind of 16 to 18 centimeters. So one way of I planting tulips here. Yes, where is my digger? Hold on for a minute. I was gonna find my digger. So this is the type of digger that is easy to plant the bulbs if you're gonna have the ground just to dig it, because of the sharpness of the tip of it. And there is a measurement inside the digger. I don't know if you can see that one. So you have to dig it down just twice as the height of the bulb, or whatever there is in every bulb. There's an instruction on it. So cover that one. That's it. And you buy the bulbs, this is already kind of enough to have flower on it. Here I don't need to put fertilizer on it, but the last time I tried to put fertilizer, and I think it's almost the same, as long as your soil is kind of very nice. This is more on compost mix of soil. So yeah, if you have only ordinary soil, just combine it with, I think, 1 ordinary soil and 2 compost, and that will be fine for the bulbs to have the flower next year. So yeah, I'm trying this one this year not to put any more fertilizer on it. So this is it. 3 types of tulips. I might going to put in the middle. And by the way, you have to see to it that the tulips is front facing up. So you have to be, especially this one is very small, so you have to see the one that's the bottom one, and put it in the ground there. So yeah, that's it. So more or less I've done there. So this is another way of planting tulips, and this ground I have to dig out all the soil, and this is the easy way for me here. If you have a space, kind of open space, you have to spread that down easy like that. I have to cover this one slightly and put this one in the top and put this one in the top of that one. So that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just cover this one with the swell. So from the first close of boxwood here is the daffodils, the cosmopolitan and the nightcap. I mix the two type of daffodils here. What I like it is the eye, the color in the middle is kind of orangey and one is kind of red color. So it will be nice bulk of flower here. And this one, this is the one that I planted today. It's the tulips. The tall one is the mixed hybrid, which is yellow, red, pink, and white, plus red and yellow and purple. So that would be a nice shoe there. This one is a yellow daffodil, so it's all yellow here. I put all yellow here because it's kind of a bit dark, so we show up all the color yellow. This part here, a kind of mixture of color as well, the short one and the taller one, the hybrid mix. It's another close boxwood shape, so I put here my old daffodils, which is color white, yellow, because the one I planted last year over there, I just dig it out and that's the one I planted here. And this the one here is the hybrid tulips again, because it's open space and bright gem. So it's kind of burst of flower as well. Here in between this hellebore here, I planted tulips. The red impression, it's nearly purple color. I'm down here. I have this tulips, no, not the tulips, daffodils, the dwarf one down here that I already planted it last week. So yeah, that's full of and bulbs here around. Down here, I think I show you already, this is a mix of allium here as well, plus the tulips. Another thing that will come up early by February is my daffodils. That's the short ones, and the allium will be on May to June, so it will catch up when the roses will kind of bloom. So watch me for this spring so that you can see flowering by next year. So yes, and again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again next time. Bye. God bless.